Hello, everyone. Welcome to GhostLink TV's Finance Your Fears Challenge. I'm Marie J, and here's how it works. Be the first person to answer all 3 questions correctly under the pinned comment and win $20. The questions relate to the haunted Belvoir Winery in Liberty, Missouri. Make sure you subscribe to the channel in order to participate. Question number 1. Who is the current owner of the Belvoir Winery? Question number 2. What year did the Belvoir Winery have its first building fire? Question number 3. What is the name of the cemetery behind the Belvoir? Think you have them all correct? Comment the correct answers in the correct order with the correct spelling and entire name. Good luck.